Don't tell me that.
Okay, so Ray's getting up now. And we're hoping, even though it might sound silly, but we're hoping to see if some of our belongings are there. You guys know things for boats are expensive. And we already lost the boat, might as well find something. And then also, we want to take some pictures because the hull has no holes on it. Huh? Oh, Ray says it's fucked. But yeah, it'll be beautiful if we could save her, but yeah, Ray just said it doesn't look good, so maybe we scratch that. This is sad, people. Let me see if I can go up and see some more. Alright, so that's right there. Compartments outside surprisingly are closed, which means that our things are still there. Inside it says that it's a huge mess and a branch broke through the roof.
Yeah, it went through the hole
and went
through the cabin and out the top deck.
Yeah, it went like completely through the boat.
It ain't going nowhere.
It has a huge hole and it's pretty much tied up to trees. That's one of our boys there.
Over here.
I'll try to get up now and
over here.
See if I can show you guys the
Why are you
inside
going that way? I already told you not to go that way.
That's right, just trying to deal with the kids.
Trying to go in, I give you this.
Mira.
Okay, so just so you guys see. Obviously the boat is completely leaning.
Some 7 Moon here. There you go.
Bottle of one survivor, guys. We're gonna fucking drink it today.
No, we're not gonna drink it. We're gonna label it Hurricane Ian.
Hurricane Ian.
Look
at this, you guys. That tree branch went from side to side on the boat. It looks like we're laughing, but where is there better to do, honestly? Can't cry. It's already fucked up. Our paddleboards, they fucking took them, man. We were really hoping at least those bitches, you know, were there, but nope. They fucking took them. But yeah, this is how it looks like. This used to be home not too long ago, 9 months ago. My garlic smasher. The kids' Legos were on the black box there. Our AC unit.
Go ahead, Juicy Couture.
I got Colin. I can't make it. Wait, this ladder has never been secure, and now.
Mira, and your little witch chain. Go ahead.
Uy, it's hot. Look at this. I'm never gonna use this one. I'm gonna save it forever. Oh man, ain't this some crap, guys? And when the fuck are we gonna buy another boat ever again?
No.
This is real sad. When Ray moves from there, I'm gonna go in just so I can show you. What? This is our head. And this used to be where the kids sleep. This is what's left of it. We are extremely sad. As you guys know, we lived aboard this boat for about 3 years while we were working on construction and saving up money to hopefully buy a bigger boat to go sailing to places. Unfortunately, you know, it's not savable and we don't want to make a big deal out of it, even though it hurts. But we know people lost their life, homes, and more expensive boats. The whole city is destroyed, so we just wanted to come see it and close this chapter of our life and know that there's nothing else we can do for her and be able to move on onto what's next. Say hello! Hello! What are we doing, guys?
We're going to Sanibel, to the lighthouse. So we went to go the other day, but you can't drive there. So we're on a little boat. We're going to take a little boat to the lighthouse. Probably got all messed up too.
Yeah, I got really messed up.
The boats from the fishing fleet are here. They seem to be okay. The water does look beautiful.
To all the individuals that looted my shit, I hope you live forever.
You guys are assholes.